Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by verifying addition, build, and activation so the upgrade path is valid. Open settings and confirm those details. Once done, back up your documents and desktop to external storage or cloud to avoid data loss. Make a system image if you want rollback insurance. Make sure you have at least 20 to 25 GB free and a plugged-in laptop. Also note the product key, or ensure your Microsoft account is linked for automatic activation later. You now create or use installation media. Download the Media Creation Tool, or ISO, for the target Windows version and write it to an 8 GB plus USB. Alternatively, mount the ISO. Next, run Setup. EXE from Windows for an in-place upgrade so your files and apps remain. When prompted, choose Keep Files and Apps, accept recommended updates and driver installs to reduce compatibility issues. If a restart occurs, let it complete. If asked, confirm network access so activation and updates finish automatically. You finish by completing the out-of-box experience prompts, signing into your Microsoft account, and confirming activation in Settings. Next, run Windows Update repeatedly and check Device Manager to reinstall or update any missing drivers. This addresses most post-upgrade hardware issues. If Windows won't boot, enter Safe Mode or use the Recovery USB to run startup repair. If problems persist, restore from your system image or backup. That gives you a clean recovery path while you diagnose driver or compatibility causes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.